So the cable glute kickback. Now, what you'll see first of all is that Lee's stationary leg is raised on a plate. This is going to give his working leg some more freedom without smacking onto the floor. Now, what I want you guys to think about is that Lee has also had a big step back, which is going to create some more range, when you'll see in a minute. Now, what I want you guys to do is to fix that hip into position and that spine doesn't move. All of the movement comes from the hips and the glutes. He's using his hand to support on the bar, which is absolutely fine. Now you'll notice him come forward and then kick back. Now you'll notice there is a straight line from his spine all the way down to his heel. He doesn't need to go any further than that. Any further than that is just going to be lower back and it's going to cause some uncomfortability in the spine. So perform another couple more, please, Lee. Nice and slowly. As you can see, he's not hitting the floor. Then he's going to kick, drive back, contract and squeeze the glute. Doesn't go too far. Nice and controlled. And one more. Contract the glute, keeping the spine nice and straight and not moving, and all the movement comes from the hips. And that's the cable glute.